Hello, friends. Welcome. Today's letter is the letter B. This is the letter B. Big B and small b. Can you say B? B. Wonderful. Ball. B is for ball. Say it with me, ball. Ball. भकुण्डो बल भनेको भकुण्डो भकुण्डो Bag. B is for bag. Say it with me, bag. Bag. झोला ब्याग भनेको झोला झोला Bird. B is for bird. Say it with me, bird. Bird. चरा बद भनेको चरा चरा Let's sing together. B is for ball. B is for bag. B is for bird. Ball, bag, bird. B is for ball. B is for bag. B is for bird. Hooray for the letter B. Great job, friends! Today we learned the letter B, ball, bag, and bird. See you next time. Bye-bye.